In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI video with Seedance 2.5. And this is the result of this tutorial.
Okay, I am so excited to talk about this moisturizer. It's been amazing for my dry skin, and it just leaves my skin feeling so soft and hydrated. I totally recommend it.
So to create that video, first, we need to go to NovoAds AI. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section. And after you arrive here, you need to create an account. This is a platform where you can try these AI models for just $1. So after you create the account, you will arrive here. And here we need to go to the video section. Now we have to go to settings, and here in model, we need to choose the Seedance 2.5 model. Now in duration, I'm going to use 10 seconds, but you can use this AI model to create videos up to 30 seconds long. So now I'm going to paste a prompt to create a very simple UGC video. So the prompt is this one that is going to be in the comment section. And now we have to upload the image of the product. So let's click here. And now we have to upload our product. So let's click here. Now with that is enough to create the video. So let's click here and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result. So now let's see it.
Okay, I am so excited to talk about this moisturizer. It's been amazing for my dry skin, and it just leaves my skin feeling so soft and hydrated. I totally recommend it.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the result. The video looks with a really good quality, the lipstick was perfect, and this girl looks real. So if you want to do an AI video with Seedance 2.5 for just $1 to try the model, you can do it in NovoAds AI. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.